Hi, my name is Abby Broughton from Vanderbilt University, and today I will be sharing a presentation on social reading with SOCIALBOOK. Now, before we get started, I wanted to mention that the term social reading was coined by Carl Blythe when he refers to the University of Texas at Austin's digital social reading platform, eComma. eComma was created in 2009 and integrates directly into your learning management system. eComma is an awesome way to read socially, but today I wanted to talk about a platform that is open and you don't need to integrate it into your LMS called SOCIALBOOK. Now, SOCIALBOOK was created by a software development company named Astia Solutions, and they call themselves a breathtaking new way to read. Social reading offers learners the opportunity to work together to annotate a text. Students can post on their own time before coming to class or synchronously as an in-class reading and writing activity. Reading together facilitates textual interpretation, cultural connections, and allows students to share what they're thinking as they're thinking it. So now I'm going to walk you through creating a collaborative text on SOCIALBOOK. So first you need to create an account or just sign in. So I'm signed in and you see my library. These texts here that don't have covers are texts that I have uploaded individually. These are all part of private groups that I have created. But you'll see this one here, A Midsummer Night's Dream, and this one I actually borrowed from the Commons, which is SOCIALBOOK's library. This is where users can post text publicly and anybody all around the world can annotate the text. And I did this just to see what other people were doing. But today, since we're talking about a classroom activity, we'll be creating a private group. To add text to SOCIALBOOK, you can either upload an e-publication or you can copy and paste text. So what I did is I actually copied and pasted 3 pages from the Kindle version of the novel Kif Kif Demain, which I'm using in an intermediate French writing course. And so I've created a document here. It's 647 words. I have the page numbers, and then I have the assignment that I wrote at the top, which just says, what aspects do you find interesting? Why? Write a comment of 75 to 100 words for Friday, and then respond to all of the members in your group for Monday. The groups I use in my class are quite small, only 4 students each. But what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this text, and then we're going to select Paste. My document title is going to be Kif Kif Demain, pages 121 to 123 by Faiza Gen, and you actually can't use accents, unfortunately. And this novel was published in 2004. And then right here, I'm simply going to paste my text. Clean it up just a little bit, but otherwise it looks great. And then I'm going to submit it private. So private, again, allows me to create private groups rather than adding it to the Commons or SOCIALBOOK's library. Okay, so I have my text, but right now I'm the only person in this group. So I'm going to select Read Now, and I'm going to create a group. I'm going to call this group Group A of my French writing course. And then here I have a link that I can share with my students. And so again, because I said that I have very small groups, I'm going to do the same thing and create a few more groups. Okay. And finally, so now you'll see that I have 4 different groups. Again, none of them have any members yet. And so what I would do to add students is simply click this add icon, and now I have a link that is unique to this group. It's unique to group A. So students who are in group A cannot interact or see what's happening in any of these other groups. So this link here is unique to A. We'll have a link that is unique to B, and so on. And either you could post this on your learning management system, such as Brightspace, or you could just email your students in the small groups their link. Now, SOCIALBOOK, as you can see, has an incredibly user-friendly interface. So if I want to read socially, I can highlight a bit of text. I can highlight as much as I want. I'm just going to start by highlighting one word. And then I can add an underline, which serves as a highlight, so students can just see that I've highlighted it. Or I can add a comment. So I can add note, and I'm just going to write test comment, post it, and then everybody else in my group, they can like it or they can respond to it. And if they respond to it, it will create a chain of responses. And students can all do this before coming to class. You can do this in class. Students can comment in the L1 or the L2. The task design opportunities for social reading are endless, and I would really love to know if you're reading socially in your classroom. So please send me an email at abby.broughton@vanderbilt.edu or contact the Language Panda team, and I hope that this was useful. Happy reading!